I got started with LadyBoss when I was scrolling through Facebook one day and I seen this girl jumping around and I was super excited. She made me feel excited, and when I was watching her, she had so much energy and gave me so much hope. And at first I kind of was, is this really going to work? And is it going to give me my life back? And then I joined LadyBoss. I decided to go for it, and I haven't looked back since.
That's awesome. So for you, when and how did you have your breakthrough?
I had my breakthrough when I was able to run around with my kids and play with them for the first time, being able to look at my daughters, faces when they would look up at me and see that I could run around and keep up with them, not like, before when I would just sit on the couch and be depressed and not want anything to, I didn't want to do anything. And so seeing their faces light up and knowing that I was doing something good, that was a breakthrough. I wanted to keep pushing because my kids gave me hope.
That's so cool. Yeah. So where do you think, if you weren't here, if you didn't have LadyBoss, where would you be now?
Oh my gosh, if I didn't have LadyBoss, I would probably still be that depressed girl that's sitting on the couch and that is still 85 pounds overweight and gave up on life. I was to the point where I didn't even want to be alive no more. I wanted to, just be done, and I didn't want to wake up in the morning, and I didn't want to be around my kids. I didn't want to be around my husband, and I just wanted to literally stay in bed all day long. And so being able to, find LadyBoss has given me my life back.
Yeah. So cool. What have you had any big breakthroughs or revelations and throughout this process beyond obviously wanting to live?
My other big breakthroughs, is I was able to get off depression medicine. I was able to stop having to take thyroid medicine and a bunch of other medication that I had to have because I was so overweight. And, being able to get off that not only saves me money, but it makes me feel better as a person to not be on all that medication all the time.
Yeah. What would you tell someone that feels like they're just super stuck, or they've tried a bunch of times and failed a bunch of times and just don't know what the next move is? What would you tell them? What got you out of that, finally over that hump?
If I could tell somebody, anything, I would tell them to keep pushing through, believe in yourself. You are your only competitor. When you stand in your way, you're stopping yourself from being happy. So keep pushing on and set little goals, no matter what. Like when you wake up in the morning, start with something small and keep telling yourself that, you got this. And don't be negative, be positive about everything, because, you're gonna just bring yourself down and you're not gonna be able to get to where you need to be. And surround yourself with women. That's why LadyBoss is amazing, because you're surrounded with so many supportive women and they lift you up and you have that support system that you need.
Yeah, so cool. And what would you tell someone who's not sure about why they should be a LadyBoss?
I would say that think of all the other stuff that you've tried. Everything that you've tried before, has it worked? Why would you not want to be a LadyBoss? Look at all these women that you've seen succeed in all these success stories, and and ask yourself, do you want to be in that position? Do you want to move forward in life and not be stuck in the same old routine and try the same old programs? So, LadyBoss it's scary joining something you don't know. But when you jump in there and you get started, it's amazing because you're set up with so much information for workouts, eating, just helpful, helpful ideas on meals and stuff like that. So, it's worth it.
Yeah. So a lot of deep stuff, but what's been the most fun?
The most fun about LadyBoss? Oh man, probably the friends I've made. I couldn't get through a lot of the hard times without some of those girls. They've been my support system They've kept me going when I wanted to give up. They kept me pushing on and didn't let me just stop like I would have before, and I couldn't have done it without them.